ultrasonic cool mist versus evaporative humidifiers. Which is better? Let's find out. This is a brief overview of two of the most highly rated humidifiers on Amazon. However, these two could not be any more different from each other. The one on the left is Levoit Classic 300S, and on the right is Smartmi, that works on a completely different principle. It's called Evaporative humidifier. Both Levoit and Smartmi are Chinese manufacturers. This is the 8th cool mist humidifier that I've used this year, and I found Levoit to be the best overall. But the issue here is, what is the case, and the issue with all cool mist humidifiers is that they throw, as you can see, water droplets into the air. And the water droplets can easily carry bacteria and sediments that are in the water. This is an issue. Unless you are using distilled water, that means you have to actually go and buy water gallon by gallon by gallon, or you're going to clean the machine every other day with vinegar and other things. It is an issue. It's something that it needs to be said. On the right is Smartmi. As I've mentioned before, I've tested 8 humidifiers this year, and the Smartmi by far is the most impressive. Smartmi has a very simple interface. It also comes with a smart app that can control many other things, such as a timer and an auto mode. And this is the air output. It is extremely quiet. This is fan driven, but it's extremely quiet. It's almost as quiet as an ultrasonic humidifier. This is the lower part, or the water tank of Smartmi. It holds 1 gallon and it lasts a couple of days actually. It has these rotating blades that sits in basically a tub of water, and quite brilliantly it adds very effectively moisture into the air. And it does it without adding any kind of bacteria, any kind of sediment into the air. This is what makes this, in my opinion, a much healthier choice. The conclusion that I have come to is that cool mist humidifiers are simply not healthy. They may be good for greenhouses. I would not use them near babies, near infants, in bedrooms and so forth. That's my conclusion. Now let's do a noise test. Right now both of these units are running and both are in level 1. This is Levoit. Obviously very quiet at low mist. This is Smartmi. Equally quiet in low mist. Now let's go to the highest setting. Not bad at all, although the high setting in bedroom does become too noisy. So if I use it in a bedroom, I would put it in low, but or medium, but not higher than medium. And let's bring Smartmi to the highest setting. Right now, I don't know if you can see it, but right now it's on low, and that's high. So a direct comparison between level 3, both only have 3 levels, Smartmi and Levoit. Well, let's try level 2. Now that's level 2 on Smartmi. Very quiet. And now we go to level 2 on Levoit. Also very quiet. That's back to level 1. Level 1 Smartmi is perfectly fine to leave it running all night in a bedroom. It's extremely quiet. Works fine. And it does have an option to kill the lights if you need to, like a night mode, but it's really not necessary. Both of these units are app-based. This is the app for Smartmi. And this is the app for Levoit. I would like to mention that both of these apps are highly intrusive. They ask for permission to access files, camera, microphone, contacts, and so forth. That's just something for you to know. In conclusion, as I mentioned to you, after trying 8 cool mist ultrasonic humidifiers this year, I'm not sure that I can recommend them for the reasons that I mentioned before. However, the Smartmi is the winner, although at a higher price. I hope this video is helpful to you.